See that? I need to hide.
Okay, wanna record it?
Am I recording?
Oh. Yeah, I'm recording. Oh my god. So I done something really bad, and I regret it, like so much.
I fixed myself too.
And I don't know what to do. Like, I'm gonna cry. Literally cry. What do I do?
Just forget about him. See, if you make a number.
Shanti died. Shanti died. She can't be on here. She's no more here. She's no longer
I'm
here.
gonna break the camera.
Well,
I wouldn't point it at me.
I don't know what to do. Dude, that looks so bad. Look at me. Hey, look at my makeup. I have a hook.
It's all a tail.
What? Doesn't look like doesn't look like I know makeup.
No, but today's Justin Bieber's birthday.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, let's all say happy birthday,
Justin Bieber just likes white girls.
Happy birthday,
Fuck you.
Justin Bieber.
Happy birthday, friend. Shoot. Oh my god.
Yo. Well, you can't fix that video from your phone? Like cut it?
Is it on my YouTube? Look at me.
I don't know. Did you send it?
Oh, my phone.
He's Asian.
What's
He's
that?
No. Asian.
He's chinkai. He's chinkai. Hey, look at my smile. It's just like so straight. It's like, ew, mine's all retarded. Dude, I look scared. It looks like my eyes are closed. What time do we get out of this class?
We got 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
We are.
Okay. Bye. It's Jasmine. I'm Jasmine. She's Jasmine. I'm Jasmine. She's Jasmine.
Is it recording?
Oh my god. Wait.
Oh, yeah, you can.
No. It's recording, but I can't record what you're doing, you know? You can't see this.
Haha, you're really funny. You're hilarious.
It was like...
Look at Alyssa.
Like... Enough of that. So, it's been 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
15 seconds. Sorry.
My name's Amber. And I'm a sidekick. What if I put this on Facebook? Then we put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
Shall put it on Facebook.
Yeah, you shall.
Shall. Dude, I look like so professional. I'm like so not professional.
Can I finger?
What are you doing? I don't know. I can't wink.
Which video though? Like all of them?
No, just the one we recorded yesterday.
We recorded like 5.
Well, the long one, the last
The
one.
first one?
Yeah.
No, not yet. I was busy last night.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Ew, it looks like we touched
Dude, my hair's all...
I like your smile, it's like all straight and stuff.
Oh, dude, I'm playing it.
What do I do? It's been a few months. And you broke my heart. I would see him every single day at school. I don't know what happened.
Well, I have a good love life.
I'm like talking to you.
Okay, dude, it's like on YouTube.
Okay.
Is it?
Okay.
It's on YouTube now.
It's like this.
Go to it, Alyssa.
I don't
Wait,
care.
hold on,
I'm just so chill, you know? Just so chill.
Wait, you
And
Wi-Fi.
You don't need love. All you need is a DJ.
I Dude, ew, look at my elbows. Okay, my boobs look good.
Wow.
We should do the thing. Okay, are we done? Bye.
Bye. Bye.